Did you know that a company from Latvia, yes Latvia, not Silicon Valley, is quietly dominating the networking industry? This company called MikroTik is worth over 1 billion euros and they don't even advertise. They don't splash their name around in the media, yet they're powering the internet connection for millions of people and businesses worldwide. In a world where giants like Cisco and Huawei are household names, how did a relatively unknown company build this level of success? In this video, we'll explore how MikroTik became an industry powerhouse without most people even knowing it. We'll look at the technology they're offering, how they're different from big tech company players like Huawei. That is a company that does 100 billion in 2023 in revenue, and why there is so little information about them available publicly. Let me give you some background. The networking industry is booming. With the rise of cloud computing and the Internet of Things, which is a network of smart devices like your phone, like your smart fridge, or even a thermostat connected to the internet, and the unstoppable demand for faster and more reliable internet connection. This industry has never been more important than now. The global networking equipment market is expected to reach over 70 billion US dollars in the next few years, with the 5G technology expanding worldwide and an expected 32 billion connected devices by 2025. All of this growth means there's huge need for reliable and affordable networking equipment, and this is where the company MikroTik, which we're looking at right today, comes into play. But what exactly is a networking equipment and how does it all work? At its core, networking equipment allows devices to communicate with each other and connect to the internet. Here are the key components. A router. These devices are the backbone of any network. A router connects multiple devices to the internet or a private network. Think of it as a traffic manager. It ensures that data like email, video, or files flow smoothly between your device and the web. The second device is called switches. While routers manage internet connection, switches focus on internet communication. They connect multiple devices within the same network, like computers in an office or servers in a data center, allowing them to share resources efficiently in between each other. Next are access points. These are wireless devices that extend internet coverage. They allow users to connect to the internet over Wi-Fi instead of a cable. Number 4, modems. A modem translates signals from your internet service provider into a form your device can understand, enabling internet access. And lastly, firewalls. These are security devices or software that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic, protecting against cyber threats. Each of these pieces play a vital role in keeping us connected, but who makes this happen? Many companies contribute, but one stands out in a unique way. MikroTik was founded in 1996 by two people, John Tully, American engineer, and Arnis Rieksniņš, a Latvian tech visionary. Now, unlike Cisco or Huawei, MikroTik doesn't create products specifically for large corporations or huge service providers. Instead, they target smaller internet service providers, which are companies that provide internet access to homes, businesses, and other organizations. In the early days, MikroTik's path wasn't smooth. They began by developing networking software called Router OS, but their journey to success had its bumps. Initially, their software had stability issues, bugs that caused crashes and connection problems, which are a headache for customers. Customers reported issues like random device reboots, poor connectivity, and in some cases, complete network failures when Router OS was pushed to handle larger data loads. This was especially problematic because MikroTik was targeting budget-conscious ESPs and small businesses that needed reliable solutions on a tight budget. For these customers, every minor network failure meant loss of revenue, frustrated users, and potential hit to their reputation. What's remarkable is how MikroTik responded. They didn't have a huge customer support system or millions of dollars to throw at the problem. Instead, they invested in a supportive online community. This community, filled with users who helped each other, became a critical part of MikroTik's support. And MikroTik kept improving its software, fixing issues based on user feedback, and eventually gaining a loyal following. But it wasn't just about creating solutions, it was about creating affordable ones. Unlike the thousands of dollars the big brands charge for enterprise-level routers, MikroTik's routers come in at a fraction of the price without compromising on reliability. For example, Huawei router for a small business might start at 2,500 USD, while MikroTik router starts at 400 USD, making them accessible for small ESPs and businesses who want quality without breaking the bank. So what's the secret sauce that turned MikroTik into a billion-euro company? It's their simple, affordable approach to high-quality network solutions, plus their unique community-focused strategy. MikroTik doesn't advertise and keeps a low profile, rarely attending the big tech events, while other companies showcase their latest breakthroughs. Why? Because they build a loyal customer base that spreads the word for them. So instead of investing in high-cost marketing, the company invests in product development, ensuring that they can continue to offer cutting-edge technology at a fraction of the cost. For instance, MikroTik's router OS software and router board hardware are popular in markets ranging from large-scale ESPs to small tech startups, all of which appreciate the company's ability to maintain low prices while continuing improving the performance and features of their products. Now let's talk about MikroTik's finances. How much do they actually earn, make, etc. The company has around 400 million annual revenue from sales of its products. Nearly 100% of MikroTik's products are exported to over 170 countries, making it one of Latvia's largest exporters. Their products are popular in the US, Europe, and Asia, with the US being their biggest market, bringing in about 40% of their revenue. In 2022, MikroTik reached a valuation of 1.3 billion, becoming the first private company in Latvia to surpass this mark. The company was also named the export champion of Latvia, and the company is the fourth largest company in Latvia, which is massive. The company also does a lot of stuff that helps Latvia as a whole. They also invest and help with the digital infrastructure. The company also provides more than 280 jobs, and they pay millions in taxes. In 2022, MikroTik reported a net income profit of 100.5 million based on Lursov data and the platform that tracks official business and financial information in Latvia. The company has paid 9.84 million euros in taxes in 2023 alone. So why do we think that MikroTik's story is important? And why did we want to make this video? Because we wanted to show you that you don't need to be Silicon Valley back to a company or have to be in America or China to do something great. No, you can do that here in the Baltics, like in Eastern Europe. The things to remember, right? Have to make great products. You have to understand your customer, and you have to make them a value proposition that is greater than what they can get currently. Is it price? Is it value? Or etc. But you need to think, and you can be a small player and make huge impact on your customers or on your local community or your local country. So if you enjoyed this video or kind of dive into a giant tech company from Latvia, make sure to subscribe for more stories like this. We will be exploring more under the radar companies that are changing the game, having huge impact, and we'll share their insight, we'll share how they do it, what are kind of the strategies, so you can get applicable ideas also to use in your own company, or kind of just have a binge watch Netflix episode to watch something educational plus fun. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.